Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to install Meta or Facebook WooCommerce plugin in order to help you track web activities on your website store as you try to sell your products across Facebook, particularly using Facebook and Instagram advertising or Meta advertising as we all know it. So we're going to cover everything from installing the plugin on your WordPress website and also activating it and then setting it up and connecting it to your Facebook business assets, including Pixel, so you could track web activities and run sales and conversion ads. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive contents like this. And visit the description section to access other related contents to help you run profitable ads across social media platforms. So let's jump right straight into this video. All right, so we're going to log into the website. So if you're using a WordPress website, you should know how to log in to your admin dashboard. So your domain name, then /wp-admin. This takes you to your dashboard and you log in with your login details. So you log in with the username, you put your password, then prove you're a human. For this one, we're solving the basic maths. So we are in. So next, you want to scroll down to plugins. So we're going to scroll down to plugins. So you click on plugin. Next, click on add a plugin or install plugin, or just in case you're already here. After clicking on the plugin, you click on add plugins. Okay, so click on add plugins. So we could search for WooCommerce Facebook, something like that. WooCommerce for Meta, or you just search for Facebook Pixel or Meta Pixel. Then click on enter. So this one is Meta Pixel for WordPress. So this one is Meta for WooCommerce. So this is the one we're installing. Okay, so we install this. So it's called Meta for WooCommerce. So you could search Meta for WooCommerce. Then you click on install. You can see it's by Facebook. So we install this one. Next, we activate this. So the plugin has been activated. Okay, next we click on configure. So click on configure. So you can see for this brand is based in South Africa. So we're gonna leave it. Next we click on get started. So it's going to link. Make sure you log in your Facebook account or the Facebook account that has a Meta business portfolio. Preferably have an admin access. Okay. So if you don't know how to go about this, kindly book a consultation with one of our experts or subscribe for our Meta Ads Fix services. But preferably book a consultation first so that we're going to speak with you. So visit the description section of this video to access the link on how to book a consultation with our experts, or send us a message on WhatsApp to get more guidance. So click on continue as your account, your Facebook account. So yeah, we're going to use this one. So this is it. This is the business portfolio we're going to use. So click on next. Then click on next again. click on next again. We're going to select the add account under the business portfolio. Then we'll click on next again. So this is a pixel. We've already created a pixel, but if you've not created a pixel, you click on create new here. All right. Also turn on this automatic advanced matching. Okay. We'll select this pixel. Then we'll click on next. So we confirm this. Next, we click on confirm. Okay, so you can see it's now connected. So click on next. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive contents like this. So you could see it's been created and connected.